empowering industries with smart automation, driving the future of manufacturing. In today's fast-paced industrial landscape, precision and efficiency are no longer optional. They are essential for success. We are Trivector Solutions, your partner for industrial automation and robotic solutions, your trusted authorized channel partners for Innovance, bringing world-class technology to your doorstep. We deliver reliable and scalable industrial automation solutions tailored to meet the unique challenges of your business. Our state-of-the-art industrial robotics enhance precision and speed, transforming how products are made. We specialize in custom-engineered industrial control panels, designed for maximum reliability and ease of use. Our experts provide seamless system integration and dedicated professional support to keep your operations running smoothly. From food processing to packaging, we deliver automation that ensures safety, quality, and high throughput. In the pharmaceutical and automotive sectors, our solutions drive precision and innovation at every stage. We optimize processes in manufacturing plants of all sizes, helping you achieve peak operational performance. Experience a significant increase in productivity, reduce downtime, and fully optimize processes that grow your bottom line. Partner with Trivector Solutions for smarter, more efficient automation. Visit trivectorsolutions.com to transform your facility today.